Get ready to transform your home into the ultimate Halloween haunt. In today's video, we're showcasing the best Halloween decorations that will send shivers down your spine and wow your guests. From spooky outdoor setups to creepy indoor decor, we've got everything you need to create the perfect Halloween atmosphere. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below to grab these terrifyingly awesome items. Halloween spider webs decorations. Transform your home into a spine-chilling haunted house with the 1,400 square feet Halloween spider webs decorations. This massive, super stretchy cobweb covers both indoor and outdoor spaces, creating a creepy atmosphere for trick-or-treaters and Halloween parties. The 1,400 square feet web is versatile, allowing you to stretch it across walls, windows, and trees to craft a haunting scene anywhere. As a bonus, you get 150 extra fake spiders, adding a realistic, eerie touch that will send shivers down your guests' spines. Made from high-quality, durable materials, this spider web is designed to stretch without tearing, giving you the freedom to customize your spooky decor without hassle. Whether you're going for a subtle scare or a full-on horror show, these cobwebs and spiders are perfect for setting the mood. Don't miss out on elevating your Halloween decorations. Grab yours today and watch your space come alive with spine-tingling terror. Koogam 60 PC's Halloween Bats. Get ready to transform your space into a spooky scene with the Koogam 60 PC's Halloween Bats decoration. This set includes 60 realistic 3D black PVC bats in 4 different sizes, perfect for adding an eerie, flying effect to your Halloween decor. Whether you're decorating your living room, bathroom, or hallway, these bats will bring an air of mystery and fright to any corner of your home. These scary bat stickers are made from high-quality, waterproof PVC, making them perfect for both indoor use and Halloween parties. With an easy DIY application, you can create a dramatic, bat-filled wall or a chilling cluster above doorways or windows. The adhesive is strong but gentle on surfaces, so you can remove and reuse them without damage. Perfect for adding a haunted vibe to any room, these 3D bats are sure to make your Halloween party unforgettable. Create your own frightening scene and let the creepy fun take flight. 2PC's 47-inch Halloween Ghost Windsocks. Elevate your Halloween display with the 2PC's 47-inch Halloween Ghost Windsocks decorations. These spooky windsocks feature built-in LED lights, creating a glowing, eerie presence that will captivate and thrill visitors day and night. Standing at an impressive 47 inches, these hanging ghost decorations are perfect for your outdoor setup. Whether draped from trees, porches, or patios, they'll add a floating, ghostly effect to your Halloween decor. Crafted with weather-resistant materials, these windsocks are durable and designed to withstand the elements, making them a perfect addition to your outdoor Halloween display. The LED lights not only enhance visibility in the dark but also create an enchanting glow that sets the perfect creepy atmosphere. Easy to hang and install, these ghost windsocks add a unique, whimsical scare to any Halloween setup. Perfect for both homes and parties, they'll give your outdoor space the eerie Halloween vibe you've been looking for. Grab yours and let the haunting begin. Purple and Orange Halloween Lights. Light up your Halloween with the Purple and Orange Halloween Lights 2-pack. With a total length of 164 feet and featuring 400 bright LED lights, these extendable, waterproof string lights are perfect for transforming any space into a spooky wonderland. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, they add a haunting glow to Halloween parties, trees, patios, gardens, and festivals. These lights come with 8 different lighting modes, allowing you to customize the atmosphere from spooky flickers to steady glows. Whether you want a playful, eerie ambience or a dazzling, festive display, these lights have you covered. Plus, they're waterproof, so rain or shine, your decorations will stay glowing bright. Easy to install and extendable for larger setups, these purple and orange lights are ideal for adding that extra Halloween flair to your space. Get ready to enchant your guests and bring your spooky scene to life with these versatile and durable string lights. Giant Spider Webs Halloween Decorations. Transform your yard into a terrifying scene with the Giant Spider Webs Halloween decorations. This outdoor Halloween display features a 16.4-foot spider web lit by 250 bright LEDs and includes a massive 4-foot spider ready to send chills down your guests' spines. With 8 different lighting modes and a built-in timer, you can create the perfect eerie ambience for any Halloween party, costume event, or haunted house. The spider web is crafted from durable, waterproof materials, ensuring it withstands any weather, making it perfect for yards, porches, and gardens. The easy-to-install design allows you to stretch it across large outdoor spaces, creating a spooky centerpiece that's sure to draw attention. Whether you're hosting a party or just want to create a hauntingly festive atmosphere, these spider web lights deliver. The combination of LEDs and the realistic giant spider ensures your Halloween decor will be unforgettable. Get ready to make your home the talk of the neighborhood. Thanks for watching, and we hope these Halloween decorations inspired you to take your spooky season to the next level. If you found something you loved, don't forget to check the product links in the description to get your hands on these chilling decorations. Hit that subscribe button for more hauntingly good ideas, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay spooky!